Welcome to First Rank Business Clinic. In today's video, I just make you aware of importance of marketing and customers in business. Introduction to start business, type of business, documentation requirement, you know, identification of business, various subjects. You see, class by we covered various aspects. Even you see personal qualities. You remember, I have reminded you, personal qualities is very much related to start your business. I'm Anthony Matthew for First Rank Business Clinic, FRBC trusted by many, tested by time changes, but not FRBC values. In today's subject, as I told you in the opening message, importance of marketing and customers in business. You see, we had in the previous video a grand inauguration how to do, isn't it? Very good. So we have started basically along with the grand inauguration, but now the issue comes is customers and marketing is very important, very important for the success of your business. See, mouth to mouth, your business is going to grow. So the marketing is very much needed, isn't it? Marketing is very much needed for the full development of what you have created, isn't it? So you have just created a business of your own. Now the crucial roles, you are passing by crucial stages of your business. You should identify customers' need, interact with the customers through feedback collections. Create the most value, isn't it? Customer should be the most valued thing. Understand the customers and market. Find the best distribution channels. Description column, kindly see. Analyze the needs of the customers, very important. Decisions to satisfy needs of the customer. Customers' positive feedback can have a very good impact on your business. And better brand awareness and sales. Establish a warm relationship between customers and the organization. Management of product and service. See, products, service, trust and interest. If customer speaks positive, that's great, it's good. Customers happen to speak negative, remember, things will go wrong. Management of product and service, one of the most important aspect. Setting the right prices. You see, you can set the price, but remember, very high price you set and you put a big margin, it doesn't work. Brand begins with its product's quality. Just remember that. Product should have good quality. Yes or no? Yes. Now, look into this particular video session. In this class, marketing and sales, marketing and customers, isn't it? That is the point we have covered. See, this is one of the very most important lesson which you should give more value. You should concentrate, you study these points very properly once you wish to establish your business thoroughly. So I am Anthony Matthew signing off. Thank you very much. Let's see with another video.